The Indian content ecosystem has infinite potential and has an immense capacity to grow. At Pepper Content, we are hosting an award ceremony to appreciate the work of Indian creators and find the next big creator from India. My name is Pawan Rochwani, and you're listening to the third episode of Pepper Spotlight Podcast. Last year was the year of resilience. It was a year that tested us, that showed us that human spirit is indomitable. It made us believe in the power of community and creators. Every generation has one milestone event like the independence or let's say the emergency, which becomes a key identity for them. It shapes the world around them, it gives them perspective. For us, COVID-19 was that event. It challenged our core beliefs, it gave us newer possibilities, it changed our understanding of the world. And though I speak all this as a global citizen, but more importantly, I speak this from the lens of a creator. Most of us would have felt the radical changes in our workspaces and in our homes, and so have I. Though it was scary at first, so uncertain, but slowly and gradually we adapted. The immense joy of seeing us grow, battling every hurdle. We saw creators around the world collaborating with each other, doing digital concerts. We saw stand-up comedians doing online shows. We saw people from small towns and cities scaling their small businesses to a global level. We saw elders following their passion for the first time in their life. Evolving at each step, supporting each other, and most importantly, giving shape to a unique legacy that will be upheld by posterity. The community is resilient and persevered for years without much deserved assistance or recognition. And I can go on and on because I have immense pride and respect for all these creators, big and small. And to recognize and honor the creative brilliance of these creators who are making the world a better place to live every day, we at Pepper Content are hosting the Next Big Creator Awards. The Next Big Creator Awards campaign is aimed at identifying and celebrating the unique talent and hard work of creators from across the field in India. It will be a month-long activity during which all creators will be celebrated extensively. It's a celebration of creators and India's growing creative economy. It is a campaign that is dedicated towards the promotion of the prospering creative economy of this country and to encourage individual creators who are striving every day to make their mark in the community. It is to honor and respect the creative brilliance that they hold. The awards will encompass 7 broad categories within which each creator will be assessed. The categories are as follows. First, podcasters. 2020 saw massive growth in the number of podcasters. People have been listening to podcasts more than ever, and podcasting is going from strength to strength, aided by the rise of platforms like Spotify, Hubhopper, Anchor, Kuku FM, and others. Go ahead and tell us about your best episode or nominate your favorite podcaster from the link in the description of this episode. The URL is www.nextbigcreator.com. The second category for awards is video creators. With the rise of internet penetration and smartphones growth, everyone is watching something on YouTube or Instagram or other apps. Video content is on the radar of every brand and marketer, and so are the superstar video creators. We welcome video creators to submit their best work. If you know someone who's creating great reels or is a great video creator or video editor, do nominate them. You can even self-nominate yourself or nominate other creator that you know. The link to the website is in the description of this episode. The third category is writers. One of the most important creative skills is the ability to write. If you can write, you have the power to tell stories that can convert ideas into reality. Writers drive the message home all the time. Writers are like the hub of the wheel that keeps the show going. Simply put, and I'm going to be a little selfish here, without writers, businesses can't survive and thrive. Tell us about your best script or the best blog or tagline or the content work that you have written, and we'll make sure that you are rewarded for that. The next category is designers. What you see is what you get. In the digital age, that's been the whole point. Colors, forms, layouts, and textures can convey when even words become meaningless. The design has been central to bringing alive the vision of a business and brand. Share your best work or let us know about an awesome designer who deserves some recognition. The link to nomination is in the description of this episode. The next category is Twitter Titans. In the information age, no other social media platform comes close to the impact of Twitter. Twitter has become a platform for ideas and opinions to emerge and get noticed in no time. Share your best tweets or tell us about a Twitter titan, changing the narrative with powerful commentary that gets traction and drives the digital conversations. Once again, the link to nominations, self-nominations, or if you want to nominate somebody else, is in the description of this episode. The next category is LinkedIn leaders. There's no other platform to build thought leadership like LinkedIn. LinkedIn is where ideas shape the professional world's next developments. Have your updates been influencing others, or do you know someone who's making an impact? Share your profile or the story of someone who's into the thick of all LinkedIn actions. And the last category for this entire awards campaign is creators for change. Creators have been creating social change more than innovators. With smart creative interventions, creators have been able to transform the lives of others. Have you been passionately working to uplift others or know someone who's changing lives with their creativity? Let us know about them. You can either self-nominate yourself or nominate other creators as well. The link is in the description of this episode, or it's very, very easy to remember as well. nextbigcreator.com. Very easy. The nominations for these categories have already begun and will continue till 8th of February, following which the results will be announced on 13th February 2021 in a virtual event. The nomination process is fairly flexible as it allows both self-nomination as well as nomination by others, given that the nominees provide a link to their published work, which is also the only criteria for applying. There are no restrictions on class, age, race, caste, sex, or even work experience. The awards strive to be inclusive and welcoming of creators from across boundaries and backgrounds and hopes to provide a uniform platform to each of the creators. The assessment will be done by an esteemed jury consisting of veterans and industry experts from the corresponding fields. The jury will be announced on our Instagram page from 22nd of January. So keep a check on @pepper_content. Talented designers, podcasters, writers, video creators, and catalysts of change are part of a bigger story. The one that culminates with India becoming a world leader in creativity economically. Thousands of these change makers spread across India have been steadily fueling the Indian growth story and are driven by passion and purpose. Last year taught us the value of art. When the world around us was crumbling down, it was these artists and their dedication that gave us hope and helped us persist. The pandemic witnessed the strength and caliber of these creators who not only sustained themselves in the face of adversity, but rather rose above the difficulties. And still there are hardly any systematic efforts to give them their due. But the time has now come to invest in the capabilities that they hold and allow them the platform to flaunt their art and everything that they stand for. We are immensely proud in bringing this entire campaign of Next Big Creator Awards for you, and we'll be here to answer any of your questions over our Instagram page via DM, or you can even email us. But for any more details, just visit the link in the description of this episode, and we are happy to hear your thoughts. And also keep nominating yourself or nominate other creators for this. Thank you so much for listening to the third episode of Pepper Spotlight. We'll be in touch with you very soon.